San Antonio property division lawyer. Going through a divorce can be challenging, especially when it comes to dividing assets. In Texas, understanding the process of property division is crucial due to the state's community property laws. These laws dictate that most assets acquired during the marriage are to be divided equitably upon divorce, including real estate, personal property, investments, and debts. Each party's contributions and the value of the assets are carefully assessed to ensure a fair division. Legalities of property division in San Antonio. Texas is one of the 9 states that follow community property laws. According to the Texas Family Code, property and income acquired during the marriage are considered community property, regardless of who earned the income or whose name is on the title. In contrast, separate property refers to assets owned by one spouse before the marriage or acquired during the marriage as a gift, inheritance, personal injury awards, or specified in a prenuptial or postnuptial agreement. The classification of assets significantly affects their division during a divorce. Assets deemed as separate property remain with the original owner, while community property is subject to division. The burden of proving an asset is separate property falls on the spouse making the claim, often requiring comprehensive documentation and sometimes expert testimony, particularly if the asset has commingled with community property over time. Consulting a knowledgeable San Antonio property division lawyer can help navigate these complexities and ensure compliance with all legal requirements. Steps to divide property in San Antonio. Determine community and separate property. Establish which assets are community property and which are separate. Community property includes assets and earnings accumulated from the date of marriage until the date of divorce, except for gifts, inheritances, or personal injury settlements. Separate property includes assets owned before the marriage or acquired through gifts, inheritance, or personal injury settlements. Valuation of assets. Accurately value all assets involved. Real estate, business assets, retirement accounts, and personal property need thorough valuation. This might require professional appraisers to determine the fair market value, especially for complex assets like businesses or unique items. Equitable division. Texas law mandates an equitable division of community property. This does not necessarily mean an equal split but a fair one based on various factors, including each spouse's financial situation, contributions to the marriage, and custody of children. Types of assets in property division. Real estate includes the marital home and any additional properties owned. Purchased during the marriage, it is generally considered community property. The division considers factors like current market value, emotional significance, and whether the property should be sold or retained by one party with appropriate compensation. Business assets and investments. Businesses started before the marriage are usually separate property, but any value increase during the marriage may be considered community property. Businesses established after the marriage are generally treated as community property. Accurate business valuation is crucial, often requiring professional appraisals. Retirement accounts and pensions, subject to division based on value accrued during the marriage. Tools like qualified domestic relations orders, QDROs, help divide these accounts without incurring early withdrawal penalties. Personal property includes furniture, art, vehicles, and other tangible assets. Valuing personal property fairly requires appraisals, and the division might be done by mutual agreement or monetary balancing. Choosing the right method for property division. Direct negotiation, an informal and flexible discussion aimed at achieving a mutually acceptable arrangement, suitable for amicable parties. Mediation, a neutral third party facilitates negotiation to find common ground, leading to quicker and cost-effective solutions. Collaborative divorce. Each spouse hires their own attorney, and together with other professionals, they work towards a settlement without going to court, emphasizing open communication. Arbitration, a structured alternative where an arbitrator makes binding decisions, offering a faster resolution than court. Litigation, the most formal process, necessary if other methods fail, ensuring a judge makes the final decisions on property division. Marital agreements. Prenuptial and postnuptial agreements can simplify property division, outlining how assets and debts should be handled, potentially reducing the need for extensive negotiations or court involvement. Conclusion and contact information. Understanding the nuances of property division in Texas can significantly impact the outcome of a divorce. Choosing the right method and accurately valuing assets are crucial steps. For personalized guidance, consult with an experienced San Antonio property division lawyer. At Family Matters Law Firm PLLC, our dedicated attorneys are committed to helping you navigate the complexities of property division to achieve a fair outcome. Contact Family Matters Law Firm PLLC at 210-997-2914 or visit us at 926 Chulie Drive, San Antonio, Texas, 78216 to discuss your property division needs and secure your financial future.